I would go for a beautiful place, a place where everyone calls for peace. So young, so beautiful, a smile on my face. Got my dreams inside, the future's bright, and everyone calls for love. Everything's mapped out, I'm blessed and proud, and ready to impress the crowd. I will go for justice and equality. I will go for peace, and I'll never let go humanity. I will go for all. I go for a beautiful South Sudan, a beautiful South Sudan, a beautiful South Sudan. I go for a beautiful South Sudan, a beautiful South Sudan, a beautiful South Sudan. I go for a beautiful South Sudan. Sunshine, no pain, no fights, no hate. Kids in school, girls and boys, and the water is clean. Oh, no tribes, no gun, no anger, no war. Every child's have a right, every woman and every man. There's so much beauty in everyone, and I would like to see the world looking at the youngest nation with a smile on the faces. And I would like to see that heaven on earth and call it South Sudan. I call for a beautiful South Sudan, a beautiful South Sudan, a beautiful South Sudan. I call for a beautiful South Sudan, a beautiful South Sudan, a beautiful South Sudan. I call for a beautiful South Sudan. I will go for a beautiful place, a place where everyone calls for peace. So young, so beautiful, a smile on my face. Got my dreams inside, the future's bright, and everyone calls for love. Everything's mapped out, I'm blessed and proud, and ready to impress the crowd. I will go for justice and equality. I will go for peace, and I'll never let go humanity. I will go for all. I go for a beautiful South Sudan, a beautiful South Sudan, a beautiful South Sudan. I call for a beautiful South Sudan, a beautiful South Sudan, a beautiful South Sudan. I call for a beautiful South Sudan. Sunshine, no pain, no fights, no hate. Kids in school, girls and boys, and the water is clean. Oh, no tribes, no gun, no anger, no war. Every child's have a right, every woman and every man. There's so much beauty in everyone, and I would like to see the world looking at the youngest nation with a smile on the faces. And I would like to see that heaven on earth and call it South Sudan. I call for a beautiful South Sudan, a beautiful South Sudan, a beautiful South Sudan. I call for a beautiful South Sudan, a beautiful South Sudan, a beautiful South Sudan. I call for a beautiful South Sudan, a beautiful South Sudan, a beautiful South Sudan. I call for a beautiful South Sudan, a beautiful South Sudan, a beautiful South Sudan. I call for a beautiful South Sudan. Sunshine, no pain, no fights, no